This is our LeetCode problem. We have to, and this is the problem where best time to buy and sell the stock. Where we have to buy the stock at the least value or the price, and then sell that stock with the higher price, with the higher amount of you can say margin or your or a profit. So as we can see, the input here are the prices 715364. So the output would be 5, because but if we buy the stock at 1, we can sell it at 6, which is the higher profit and the maximum for the selling point. So obviously what we can follow is that we have to just buy the stock at the minimum amount, at the minimum price, and then sell it on the maximum price. Okay, so what we can do is we can simply write out our logic here. So uh, we have to uh, buy the stock at minimum price, and then sell the stock at maximum price. So first of all, what we can do is we can get the size of the array. So int n is equal to prices dot size. Okay, and then what we can do is we can just take uh, minimum sell minimum buy variable, and we can, for now we can just keep the first index, which is 0th index, to minimum buy, and for the maximum profit we can just declare 0 for now, because in the worst case what we can see here, that if there's no if it decreases simultaneously, there is no any profit, so the output would be 0 in that case. So for initialization, what we can do is we can take the maximum profit to 0 for now. Okay, so uh, we can run a for loop from 0 to n, and then we can simply increase it every time, and here we can just so we can simply check here that if uh, the prices if the prices of current variable is less than prices is less than the minimum buy, which is already at 0th index. So what we can do is we can uh, update the minimum buy variable to prices of I. Okay, and for the selling point of view, we can simply check if the prices of I current index is greater than the maximum profit. So what we can for the maximum profit, we have two things here. We have to calculate the profit then get the maximum profit. And for the when we have to calculate the maximum profit, we already know that the maximum profit is 0, and we can just update the maximum profit. So firstly we have to calculate the current profit, or you can say the common profit, the current profit. So the current profit would be, so the current profit, I am initializing a variable with the name of current profit, and it will be equal to the profit, it will be equal to the current prices with subtracting the minimum buy. Okay, and for maximum profit we can simply get the maximum from maximum profit or the current profit. Okay, let me just, and for return we can simply return maximum profit. Okay, let me just run this out, and boom, here we can submit. And the time and space complexity of this problem is big of n,